Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be doing an exploring video. Right here behind me is an old fort. So yeah, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit those post notifications. Let's go. And behind the camera, that's my cousin. So we're going to be videoing and exploring this area over here of this place.
There's like a fort right there.
Alright guys, so this is someone used to know. No idea who it is, but this has been here for. Crap.
Okay.
Alrighty. So
We used this
that hurt.
to get up.
And when we found it, that's what we did, but
But now John freaking broke that.
it's alright guys. Let's go to the next spot. So we have not been back here in a while. So apparently the people who were back here lost 2 machetes. So they've been trying to find it, but crap. Chill. Chill out. Alright. Bad quality guys. I have a phone as my camera right here. As you guys can see, there's actually someone's property right there. Which we're not gonna go back there. Because we're not trespassers, guys. There's a lot of stuff here. So apparently there's just actually another little fort back there. That way, and a boat. Abandoned boat, so we're gonna go check it out.
There is another fort back there.
Yeah. You weren't with me when I found it, but alright, this is the hard part. Let's go this way, guys. There's a lot of trees. Definitely an easier path right here.
But I think that was the path where we dragged the boat.
No. As you can see, there's a neighbor's house right there. This is about 13 acres of wooded area. They've been clearing it out for a house, but some stuff haven't been cleared out yet. Look back here. Look at this. So, right there, that's the fort, second fort right there.
Oh yeah.
We can go in there after we check out this boat and area over here. This place is just like a storage spot. But it's just cool of how much stuff is in here. Ow, shoot. Golly, that hurt. Just like right there, I guess, is a shooting range. As you can see, it's all just woods. Jeez, the grass is tall. There you can see there's a van. Ow. And there's that.
It just got caught.
See that, I think, honestly, I think there's a pole back here. There's also this stuff. Right there. See, I'm guessing this was some farm area before all this stuff grew, because look at this. Like, geez, that's heavy, but then there's also this grain feeder thing right here.
Red.
So I'm guessing that would just like make the fields.
People definitely came back here because there's like cans and stuff. Like there's one right there and the one there.
Random boat just sitting here. Right here.
There's that boat and then that part.
Sorry for the fingers being in the way, but there's this boat. This giant thing of wood. It looks like roots of some sort. You can see right there. People have been back here messing with this boat, but let's check inside and see what's inside. This boat has been out here for pretty long, as you can tell. Came back here a couple weeks ago and it was like this, but
Not as bad as this.
someone's definitely been back here. I'm not gonna show the license plate, but there's that. There's that. There's this thing right here. That's a fire hydrant. Really hoping it wouldn't have been explosive. So definitely people have been back here. Ow! What the heck is that? Try to grab that. Is it metal? If anyone can tell me what this is, tell me. There's a lot of parts in there that can be used. As we come back here,
I'll show you the fort next.
there's been 3 forts. And it looks like there's some shock wire right here. But see, that's the property right there, but we come over here. God, I hate this grass. Jeez, you're so small you can fit. There's this little camp area thing right here. Probably
Like
burning
someone's
stuff.
been burning tires and stuff over here.
All of this and cinder blocks, I guess, for sitting on, whatever. All of that. But yeah. See, there's wood and stuff in there. Guess for fire starter. If it comes this way. Yeah, let's go this way. There's a pipe right here I wanted to check out that I have not seen before. Go that way. Grab the pipe. Go that way and grab that pipe.
What pipe? This one?
Yeah, get it to me. Right to me. Oh. Any plumbers out there can tell me what this was used for. Just tell me. Honestly, I could saw this stuff off and use it. Alright, let's go. Watch out. Ow! Really bad idea. Stop. You're gonna like kill yourself, Peyton. Stop. No. Let's go. Ah! Alright. It's like terrible right here. But yeah. Stuff in it is this. No idea what this is used for. Maybe this is used for. What the heck? Jeez, that's a strong thing. Hopefully it doesn't break. Ew, this is nasty. Ugh.
I dare you to drink that.
Yeah, heck no.
Heck
Let's go.
to the no.
I Definitely not doing that. That wasn't bad last time we came out there. But guys, also look. Look at this. Like, ow! Take these stupid. Look at this, guys. See that? Like, what? Someone had to, like, what is this stuff? What is this? That looks like some fan, but this is crazy. Ah, crap. Guys, look at this.
What's in that?
These?
Oh.
I can come out here and take this. No, stop. Stop. It's gonna fall on you, so.
It's like one of those tools
It's
where
a bucket to the tractors. Alright.
it's like where you scoop something.
It's a bucket.
Low battery.
So, I guess that'll be it for today. See y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it, and hit post notifications on. See y'all.